What skin products are you using? What makes your skin glow? What makes your skin flawless? And they were saying, my auntie sent me some product from London. My auntie sent me some product from United States. It's all a story. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mariam, your girl, with another Mariam's Spiral. I hope you all are fine and then staying at home safe. Guys, I am back here like I never left. Yes, I am back like I never left. Guys, this video today is gonna be a random video, and I prefer to do this video in this restroom because all the things I need to demonstrate on this video is here, right here. Am I looking at them? Yes, ma'am, you are looking at them. So definitely it's going to be a random video. Anything I pick up, I'm going to talk about that. And this video is also going to emphasize on the tricks and the tips someone will not tell you out there. You'll be asking them, what skin products are you using? What makes your skin glow? What makes your skin flawless? And they were saying, my auntie sent me some product from London. My auntie sent me some product from United States. It's all a story. I'm here to tell you the tricks and the tips and hacks, whatever you can call it, for you to get a better skin. So from today, stop telling people what is giving you good skin, what is making you to have this flawless skin, why are you glowing and shining, because I want you to do like me. So I am not selfish. I'm just selfless to share these tips here. So let's get started to the video. Tip number one, I'm going to tell you guys, you need to change your pillowcase regularly. Either your pillowcase or your bed sheet, or you change all of them regularly, because it's really, really important. Because most of the time when you lay down on the pillowcase while it's dirty, you can get reaction, you can get rashes and so on. And sometimes it can even cause skin diseases. But you might not know because you feel like, my pillowcase is still not dirty because I have spread it for 4 days, so it's still not dirty. I want to wait for my next laundering. They can give you reaction to your face. And at the same time, always buy silky pillowcases. Yes, because they are soft. And whenever you're sleeping on them, you feel so good and calm. Even when someone wakes you in the morning, you don't want to wake up because you are so good on that pillowcase. Always go for the best. Go for the silky one. That's tip number one. Change your pillowcase every 3 days, and then always go for the silky or the cotton pillowcase. If you like, go for the white one. In fact, the color can be white because you're gonna love it forever. Guys, tip number two, I'm gonna carry these things here, up here, right up here. I want you to see it. That's why I am in the restroom. Yes, Mariam is in the restroom because she wants to demonstrate things to you. 3 different types of body sponge. 3 different types. This one is more soft than this other one a bit. It's a kind of a harsh sponge. I use this for my body. It's meant for the body. It's not meant for the face. Stop scrubbing your face. Don't even use these gloves. Neither this one, either this one. Don't use these body sponge gloves to scrub your face, especially this particular one. Don't use it to scrub your face. Take your bed and then use water and soap to wash your face. Nothing more than that. These things are condemned for your face. If you really want to maintain a good skin, this is off. You can't use this on your face. It's practically no. Don't ever try it. If you are the kind of person who have been doing this, please try and drop them into the trash. Dispose them. Don't use them anymore on your face. Some of them will even have 2 in their bathroom because one is for their body and one is for their face. Anything starting from your neck up here is part of your face. Always take note of it. Always take note of it. So you have to be so keen about it. Now, what I'm going to tell you that you're supposed to do that is going to be super excellent without no problem. My own facial soap is Bliss Miss Care Carrot Papaya. You can use any one that you think is compatible to your skin. This is what I used to wash my face with. Apart from that, nothing more. I use this to wash my face, so I don't have any problem with it. You can also use another product here I can recommend for you is a black soap, especially when you are a dark complexion. you can use it. This is Dudu Black Soap, and it's really, really interesting because most Africans out there in the diaspora, they can even send for this every now and then when it's finishing, because they know the importance of this. Us, the Africans who are producing it, I don't think we really know the meaning of this. It's people who are outside Africa are the ones who demand this more than you who are watching me. You might be seeing this in your stores or supermarkets or even in the market, in the local market, but you don't want to buy it because you think like it's made in Africa. I don't care about it. Hey boo, this is really, really, really good. I can recommend this for you. Go for it. And it's not expensive. I think I bought this one for 200 naira or 150. I can't even remember. I bought this, so many of them. So sometimes I use it and it's recommended. And my own Blissness Care is also perfect for sensitive skin. Yes, it is. And guys, now I'm going to move on to something very important as well. That is going to be my facial cream and then my body cream. This is Blissness Care again because I normally use the gum. So this Blissness Care is for my body. Don't ever, ever, never, never use your body cream for your face. Anyone you see out there presenting as a skin therapist or someone who is a skin doctor or somebody who have been out there creating content about skincare, if you check their background, they have gone through skin damage. Ask any one of them. They will tell you why they came into this, because they have tried and tried and tried and tried and tried until they show the result for their problem. So that's the reason why I am here to tell you that don't ever, never, ever, never use this for your face. Because before I was making a big mistake, a huge one. I used my body cream for my face and eventually my face went on dry. My face was so dry, as if I had a dry skin, and that was how I began to realize that I can involve myself into this and then help young youths out there who are having challenges with their skin. So definitely that's my story, and that's the reason why I started creating content about skin, because I am so sensitive about my skin. I know I have a sensitive skin, and some of you don't even know whether you have a dry skin or a sensitive skin, and which you should know, because you need to know what product will work for you. Not every product can work for you, but some of them can work for you. And when they work for you, remain using those products. Don't be changing every now and then. Anytime you hear this product is good, you want to jump on it. Stop it. Okay. Now, this Manson Natural collagen. You know collagen, right? You all know collagen because it's an old UK product. But let me tell you that this particular collagen is different. It's good for the dry skin, especially when you're using the wrong product and your skin has been damaged. Either it's flaky, or you are beginning to have acne, or your face is beginning to get to reaction, or maybe you did a wrong facial treatment in a spa or somewhere else, or you yourself who did it by yourself. So eventually this is there to repair. Yes, it's there to repair. It's a treatment. I'm going to advise you to go for this, and I am selling this. So if you want to buy, you can let me know on the comment section, and I'm going to tell you the price and how you can get it. So definitely this collagen is very important to everyone out there because it's a premium skin cream. Yes, are you seeing this? This is it. It's well sealed before you open it. So literally, you can go for it and apply this in the night when you're about to go to bed. Don't apply it while the light is on. You're gonna off the light and apply this facial cream, and you will enjoy it so much, because you will see effective results while you're using it. So if you want to know how you can get this, please check me out on my email, Instagram, or leave me a message on my YouTube video, any one of it, and then I'm gonna reply you and I'll tell you how much and how you can get it, because I sell it and it's really super dope. Okay, so guys, let's move on to that particular one I was talking about is the facial cream. Now I'm gonna move on to scrub. This particular scrub here, I'm also selling this scrub, but I'm not going to tell you what I have mixed in this scrub, because this is my secret right now, and I want you to purchase it and use it twice in a week, or minimum once in a week, and you're going to see results, because it works like magic. This scrub, whenever you use it, you don't need to go to a spa to pay some thousands of dollars, some thousands of pounds sterling, some thousands of euros, some thousands of naira to get rid of your damaged skin or to get rid of your breakout. No, 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 no. You don't have to do that. Just get this scrub. It's very dope. You see this? Are you seeing this? Everything here is home remedy. It's natural, organic, bio, everything, because this is my aunt's bio. So when you want to buy this, contact me and I'm going to tell you the price and how you can get it. Yes, baby, I'm talking to you. Yes, you can get your own. Yes, baby, you can get your own. So try to contact me and get this. It's super, super amazing. Okay, let me close it back because it's not meant for you. It's meant for Mara. Yes, unless and until you purchase one. I'm going to move on to something else very, very important is when you wake up in the morning, you wash your face with the bar soap. What do? Most of you normally use towel, right? But I personally, my skin is so much sensitive that I cannot use towel on my face. I always go for this paper towel. This is what I go for. Even when I go to the gym, I'm doing my exercise, I don't normally change towel. Because today somebody can use this towel, the next day another person can use it because they wash it and gather them again. So it's not good for my face because I have seen reaction over it while I'm in the gym. When you do a workout, you have to sweat, and when you sweat, you can use the paper towel and wipe out your sweat than you going out there to share towel because it's not really good. You can even contaminate some diseases. And always go for any cleansing that you think that is good for the sensitive skin. Like this particular one, if I want to clean my makeup, this is what I go for. You can also use coconut oil to clean your makeup. And guys, this is another tip. Don't ever, never go to bed without washing or cleaning out your makeup. Some people, they want to nap or siesta in the afternoon. They don't want to wash their face because they want to wake up with a beautiful face. When you are about to sleep, go and wash your face. So sacrifice your time for your health and then for your good skin. Don't ever feel lazy that if I wake up after siesting, my face is gonna puffy because I'm not on makeup. So when you're on makeup and you're sleeping, you'll be sleeping small, small, and opening eyes small, small. You'll be blinking your eyes. And after you now check whether the mascara is still there or the foundation is still intact. Don't ever do that. Wash it out so that your skin will be so free and breeze will enter your face. Don't pancake your face and you want to sleep. Some people, even in the night, they want to pancake their face. For what? Guys, do you understand the word pancake? It's meaning that putting the foundation everywhere, too much of foundation. Nobody can see your eyes. So, guys, wash your makeup. Even if you use a makeup remover, go to the restroom and wash your face. I'm talking about washing. That's why I'm in the restroom today to do this video. So literally, I hope that with these little tips I share out here, it's gonna help you, boo. I know it's gonna help. I know it's gonna help you. You know that it's gonna help you. You need it and you got it. So it's for free. Are you paying for subscription? No. You are not paying for subscription. So it's free. It's free. Mara, why are you naughty? No, I'm not naughty. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that I am here to convince you but not to confuse you from getting a good skin. And I want you to try it and then you will see results because I have been doing it and it has been working for me. So thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. And this is Marianne's Bio. Yes guys, we are on a goal and we need to reach that destination of getting our own television. And definitely God is going to make it happen. God, please help me. Let me get my own television channel so that I can be able to educate some of the people who are really ignorant about skincare. I love you guys so much, and I hope that this video is going to meet you in a healthy environment. And then I'm saying bye bye.